For today's project, the material I'm going to be using is going to be this t-shirt here that I got from Michaels. I'm also going to be using some Smart Iron-On in red, and this is also from Cricut 2, which is going to be my glitter iron-on, and then the green and black, this is from Caesar Easy Weed. So the machine I'm going to use today is going to be my Cricut Joy. I'm going to go ahead and connect to Cricut Design Space to cut everything out, and then I will weed it out. So off camera, I went ahead and cut everything out. If you have scraps, this is actually a really great project that you can use scraps, but because a lot of the colors for this particular project, I didn't have any scraps for, I did use brand new pieces. So it's gonna take a little while for me to go ahead and weed it out. So I will fast forward this portion in the video. Okay, so I have everything all weeded out, and on top of that too, I did separate all the pieces here by cutting them in the individual pieces since they'll be placed on different parts on the shirt. I also do have reference on my screen the SVG, so I just ensure that I'm putting everything together because I feel like it's a jigsaw puzzle that I'm going to be putting together on my shirt. So now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get my heat press all ready and set for me to press this onto my shirt. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get my shirt all nice and prepped before I get started with placing the design on it. A couple things I wanted to mention. It's very important to make sure that you do have a lint brush because you want to ensure that you remove all the fibers from the area that you are going to be placing your shirt, sorry, I should say the design on. And you'd be surprised how much lint you can definitely pick up from the shirt. So that's the first thing that's important to do. Also too, it's important to go ahead and pre-wash your garment before you press it. So that's something I like to do ahead of time. When it comes to my heat settings, I'll be pressing it at 2 different settings. So for all of the pieces minus the glitter iron-on, that's going to be pressed at 315 degrees for 30 seconds. And then with the glitter iron-on, you do need your heat temperatures to be a little bit warmer. So that's going to be set at 330 degrees and again for 30 seconds. Because I'm going to be doing a lot of layering, I also grabbed some parchment paper, which I will be using as I do the different layering for this design here. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and preheat the area here that I'm going to be placing the design, and we're going to go ahead and put it together now. My t-shirt's all completed. The only thing I decided not to do is to add, I guess, the jewels for on top of the crown. I found they were so small and it would take a bit of time to do it, so I decided to opt out for that part. But overall, I love the way my t-shirt came out, and of course I cannot wait to wear it watching a Hallmark Christmas movie. Let me know in the comment box below if you are looking forward to watching the Hallmark Christmas movies this holiday season. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you on my next video. Take care, everyone. Bye.